All right, hello. My name is Rich, and I am going to get comfortable today. This is a day to relax. So I have, well, the reason why it's a day to relax is because I just worked all day, and then I worked out in the garage, and I'm done, and I'm taking a break. So I got my charcuterie board, got a bowl, little flour to make it pretty, and then I got my tub of animal crackers. So, whoa. This chair is a little loose. This is actually the chair that I use for my craft shows. It's pretty comfortable. I like it. I try not to sit in it too often because I want to be standing up and engaging with the customers. And that's what I wanted to talk a little bit about today is I'm going to let you in on a little secret. My first craft show, I didn't sell a single thing. Not one thing. What I did, what I made were these timeout chairs. This is the first one I ever made. This is a frog. And I had a wide variety of these things. I did pigs, cows, tigers, elephants, butterflies. And I think I just had a wide variety of them. Didn't sell a single chair at my craft show. I had a lot of people compliment my stuff, said it was really creative, but they just weren't in the market to buy. Second craft show I did, same thing. I think I sold one or two chairs. Third craft show wasn't even a craft show. It was a flea market, just trying a different format. Didn't sell a single thing there either. So then I knew at that point something had to change. So then I got into making other stuff. So I got into making little wood toys like little trucks, cars, little ducks. Ducks are fun. Puzzles, things like that. Those kind of sold a little bit. There was a little bit of wind in my sails and sold some of those things. They were doing well. And then I decided to do some flower pots with flower pots with flowers on them. A little redundant, but they're fun to make. Wall mounted bottle stoppers. So all this show and tell, what am I trying to get at? Basically, it took a long time of evolving and adapting and just changing up what I was doing to get to the point of where I was actually successful. I had to learn what venues to be at. I had to learn what items sell. I had to learn how to talk to customers. I had to learn all of this stuff just to be successful at a craft show. And now that's what I'm trying to do with this YouTube thing is my channel is not doing very well at all. But I got one thing going for me, and that's I'm stubborn. I'm stubborn to the point of where I'm going to make it work. I'm going to force myself to learn. I'm going to force myself to get in front of the camera and do the best that I can every single time and just try to improve and just try to get better. And then eventually I'll have a successful YouTube channel. It's not if, it's when. So that's basically it. I hope you like everything that I did in this video. It's just really relaxed. I love my animal cookies. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoy the show, and thanks for watching. Now, how do I turn this thing off?